So how is it going to look like if you want to use it? Just put in your balance here. That means the money you started with. Let's say I started with 100,000 naira. If you are trading foreign portfolio, just assume that this hen is not there. It's now dollar. Instead of having 100,000 naira, maybe it's $1,000 that you have. Just put 1,000 naira. But in your mind, you know that it's $1,000. Or I can go and change the currency if you want. So if many people want the dollar one, maybe I will create for dollar one. So put your balance here. This one will calculate, this one will calculate based on what you entered in this place. So what we will now do is you need to now define your target. Just put 20% target here in your trading portfolio. So the Excel, you can create two. Set one, so save it as another name, maybe for investing, then this one for. So you can have as many of this Excel. In fact, you can do it based on sector. This one is for banking. So you can have like 10 of it if you can manage it, or you can have 5. Then enter the average entry price in case you enter at different prices. Then the number of units you are holding. Then this will calculate because this is just this times this. Then current price. So what's the current price of the stock? Immediately you put the current price of the stock. If you calculate this, that's the current value, which is also this times this. Then this one is the return based on the percentage made on this, and this is your target. If I put 10% here, it might be showing me that TP3, but if I put 20%, maybe it's now TP2. If I put maybe 100%, in fact, you can still say holding. So it will tell you you should still be holding. And this other one is where you can now determine your average entry price. Let's say I want to buy more. The stock has lost maybe 10% or even it has gained, it depends. But you now want to bring the average to a particular price. Let's say the quantity you bought before was 300 units. And what price did you buy it before? Let's say you bought it at 5 naira. Then what is the price now? The price is now 3 naira. So what average price do you want now? If I want average price to be 3 naira 50 kobo, for instance, that's 3 naira 50. Just enter it. You tell me that you need to buy 900 units more. So for you to have an average price of 3 naira 50 kobo. So that is this section. Then this other section where you average entry price. One, you can use it in two ways. If you have your portfolio, let's say this is my portfolio now, and in this my portfolio I've already bought, I don't know the average price. You can actually reverse engineer this thing. What you just do is come here, what is the quantity that I bought? You will put the quantity here. Let me do it for UPDC real estate. What quantity is it? 100 units. What is the value? The value of it is actually at 790 naira. 790. So what's the percentage? 53.37. When I enter it, telling me that the average entry price is 5 naira 15 kobo, and the current price as at the time I took this screenshot is 7 naira 90 kobo. So you can come here. This average price is actually what you need here. So I can come to, where is that real estate? This is the real estate. This is 5 naira 15 kobo. So 5 naira 15. When I enter it, so what quantity do I have? I have 100 units left. 100. So with that 100 units, this is the price. How many units do I have? So what is the current price now? From here, I can see the current price, 7 naira 90 kobo. 7 naira 90 kobo. When I enter it, it's telling me that I have 53.4%, 53.37, which is approximately this. Then that means it has hit TP3 based on this target that I set. Let's say I've now increased this target to 50%. So it's now TP2. So you now need to determine that, okay, at TP2, do I want to break even or do I want to sell certain percentage? If I want to break even, for instance, now, I will now come here. What is I've hit my CP1. I want to break even. Quantity to sell to break even. So what quantity will I sell? What is the total investment worth now, which is 790 naira. Put 790 naira here. 790 naira. Then what percentage have I made now? Which is 0 point. Okay, I can use this one. 553.37. 53 53.37. That is it. So this quantity, number of units, how many units do I have? 100. 100. So if I sell 65.2 units, it will actually give me how much I invested in this particular stock. I hope you understand this one also. So that's how to just go about this thing. So this can just be easy templates where you can just quickly check. So this is the cash left that I can use to buy, and this is the total equity. That means here is what I have plus my cash. So this one plus my cash is actually my total equity now. So that's how to use this one.